Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigi and you can see we're working on some tips again today. We have two that are already painted black. I decided, just to spare you that. You just saw it yesterday. You just saw black nails, but those aren't going to end up black, and you'll see what I mean. Excuse me, when we get to the end of the video. I am going to paint these other three tips in this lovely teal color by Elite 99. And this video is not in any way sponsored. All of these products were bought by me. Okay, so what we're going to do is, except for the Mifa, I'm going to use a little Mifa, and that was actually a little promotional gift that I got from them. So we're going to go ahead and cure this up. I am going to do a second coat off camera, and then we're going to come back and make that turquoise magic happen. I absolutely love the turquoise nails, and this is a really so simple way to do it. I'm going to go ahead and do this first one in real time. I did not speed this up at all, so you can see just how fast and easy it is. Now this one I put a tiny bit too much black at first, but that's okay. What I'm doing is dipping into a little bit of acetone. And what that does is disperse the color out around the nail, and it gives you a nice marbly effect. Look at how easy that was. And that's 100% in real time. I did not in any way speed that up. That is so cool. Now, the rest of the video, pretty sped up, but I did just want to show you this with the black part, because there is more layers to this color. But with this black part, I did just leave it so that you could see how fast you can do this. So we're going to go ahead and do this black part on all of the nails to give us the darker portion of our turquoise design, because turquoise, which is actually my birthstone, is just a very marbled, gorgeous stone. Now there are some parts where you don't have a lot of the veining, and so there are some turquoise that are not quite this marbly, but turquoise has got so many different variations. I think there's even purple turquoise. I would have to look that up to be sure, but I think there is. Well, I'm sitting at a computer. Let's see if we can find out. Purple turquoise. I wonder if it's dyed or if it's actually... Oh, guys, I think we're going to have to do purple turquoise very soon. Now we're coming in with the white, and we're just dotting it on there. And I decided with this one to just do all the dots and not stop. Just keep going. Just keep going with that dispersion, because that's really what you're doing, is using the acetone to disperse the color across the nail and give it a marbly effect. I want to tell you, really at the very, very beginning, I didn't show it here, but I did try to do this with alcohol. I didn't like the effect, so I just wiped it off and went on ahead and tried it with the acetone and instantly knew it was the right choice. So if you are doing this, I don't recommend alcohol. I 100% recommend the acetone. It's a little stinkier, I admit. Totally worth it for the effect. Sorry, but I'm a little bit off camera with this one, but this is exactly the same. We're just using a silver polish to give us those silver veins that run through the turquoise. And I was a tiny bit off camera with that one, and I think I get a little better with this one when we disperse the polish. And with this silver polish, you've got to be a little more careful, because it actually does just, if you use too much acetone, it just breaks up into a glitter sort of layer instead of having the veining. So, and that's the Model 1s in the pot there. Solid cream gels. Solid cream gels. Sorry, I dipped out of frame rather again. And we're going straight into the lamp to just cure that up. Now what we're doing is making those velvet nails, and how you do that is so cool. You just take the chrome powders, and you can use whatever color chrome you want. You can use regular chrome, or I've got like 9 different kinds. So just burnish it into your nail. Make sure it's really pretty the way you like it. If you want to double it, do whatever makes you happy. But then, instead of a shiny top coat, which if you want to see it shiny, look at it now, because this is the only time you're going to see those 2 nails shiny. What you do instead of using a shiny top coat is you use a matte top coat, and it gives it that velvety finish. So the chrome makes it kind of look like it's a velvet nail. I really wish I had learned of this technique at Christmas time, because wouldn't that have been cute with the Santa nails next year for a recreation set? 100%. We're gonna do velvet. It's gonna be great. Okay guys, we are almost done here. We're about to have that full set reveal. Right now, almost. There we go. Oh, I love this set. It is so pretty. Please let me know in the comment section, do you like it? Would you have done a different color of the velvet nails? Because I'm kind of on the fence, but I definitely am going to do something like that turquoise. See you guys in tomorrow's video. Have a great day. Mwah!